What's going on, everybody? I'm over here with Josh. He came by. We are in a box truck. I know this is a lot unorthodox, a little bit change up from what we're doing, but we've been putting something together. I'll let you explain that.
So basically tomorrow we're heading down to the Carolinas to help with hurricane relief. This box was generously donated to us from North Main Motors, Marysville, Ohio. They donated this box truck. They gave us the gas card, everything like that, to take all the stuff down. Lowe's generously donated a bunch of these buckets. We got paper towels, we got water, all kinds of stuff. There's some dog food and pet supplies down there on the left. We still got a little bit more stuff to pick up from North Main. They got basically a pickup truck full of stuff we still have to get tonight. But yeah, as you can see, everything's pretty much falling over.
Yep, we're back here. So what had happened was they put the skids here in the center, and Josh was racing people on the way over here. That's what had happened. But anyway, yeah, we got a pallet of water kind of on its side, so we're going to get this truck unloaded, do a little time lapse of that, and hopefully straighten it up. Yeah.
So we're gonna make some room in here. Basically, when we get down there, we're gonna unload all this stuff at probably a Red Cross drop-off area or something like that. We'll put up some air mattresses and stuff in here, and we'll probably just be sleeping in the back of the box truck. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're at now, and then we'll resume with the normal car stuff probably come next weekend. But for this week, this is what we're gonna be doing. So
cool,
yeah,
good deal.
Alright guys, we got everything loaded up. It was a pain, but we got it. So yeah, we got a whole lot of room in here now. We'll just probably set up some air mattresses or something back here to sleep. Like I said earlier, there is some more stuff to be loaded up tonight. I'm gonna take the truck back, so I don't know where exactly they're gonna put that at, so we'll probably have to move that around a little in the morning or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So we will resume this in the morning. All right, guys, it's now the next day. We are officially hitting the road as of now.
Yep.
Heading down to North Carolina. So it's kind of a crappy day to be driving today, but it is what it is. We got a lot of stuff in the trailer now, as opposed to yesterday. There was a whole truck full of stuff at my girlfriend's car dealership where she works that I went and picked up this morning. So, yep, we're heading down with a full load. We'll see where this day goes. of North Carolina now. Can't really see the view on the GoPro, but it's beautiful. We just came through some real heavy fog. Sorry, I just woke up. Probably look like a scrub right now. Home sweet box truck. We're gonna watch a movie real quick, lay the bed down, and probably go to sleep. Got all the supplies back here.
Phone charger.
Phone charger. Alex has got it. Cool. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. The generator stopped working.
Day 238.
We don't have a fan. It is very hot in this box truck. So we're just kicking it.
What's up, cuz?
Yeah.
We have this all natural stuff.
Made it. All the stuff unloaded. We did it. Just unloaded everything out of the truck. There was quite a bit in there. I think we had 6 or 7 skids that we were able to fill up here at the drop-off place. So that's pretty cool. We they actually asked us to use the box truck to take up to get there. I guess there's a couple semis full of chicken that's stranded, I'm assuming, at a dock somewhere underwater. So we're gonna take the box truck up there and see if we can load up the chickens into the box truck and bring them back for people, but we'll see what we can do. Well, it's not even midnight yet, and the Jenny already stopped working again, so that's good. We're gonna see if we can get it running, because it's gonna be a long night without it, but we'll see what happens.
Oh, nice. I think we're going. All right, guys. We got the old generator running. I guess you can't really see this, but so we did a cold air intake on it. We just took the air box off, just running right open throttle, and then we put some premix in it, changed the gas, poured some premix actually into the spark plug hole, took the spark plug out, and then gapped the plug down a little bit. So we got the generator running again, and we got our noodles. That's what's more important. So yep, now we're just gonna get back to it.
Noodles all over the place, dude. Start laughing.